Welcome to my channel. To all my returning subscribers, hello, and my new subscribers, hey. And if you are new here, hi, hello, my name is Sandra B Lusati. I create content on all things hair, lifestyle, as well as fit. So if you are into that type of content, do hit the subscribe button down below to join the family. And yeah, let's get right into the video. Today I will be showing you how to get this beautiful tribal hairstyle. You don't need any weave, you don't need any hairpiece. All you need is your God-given crown and a bit of accessories. As you can see, like, it just switches up your look and tops it up a notch. So do enjoy, and I hope you find this hairstyle to be inspirational. Okay, my hair is washed, conditioned, and thoroughly detangled. So I'm gonna go in to moisturize my hair with the neem oil hair food. Now I know a lot of people don't like using hair food, but you can use any product of your choice, that's fine. And then I'm gonna part my hair into two sections from ear to ear. The front section will be for my cornrows and the back section will be for the braids. I then went on to use some gel wax. You can use gel or a moisturizer of your choice, that's fine. So I did this to give my hair a little bit more slip while I'm braiding it and for my parts to look more neat. Before I forget, while I was braiding my hair, I ended up making twists as I got towards the ends. This will allow my takedown process to be easier and will minimize breakage. Braids are all done. Now, when it comes to cornrowing your hair, I know a lot of people don't know how to cornrow their hair, but this is not an in-depth tutorial on how to cornrow your hair. However, if you would like me to do a tutorial on how to cornrow your hair, leave it in the comment section below and I will definitely make a video on that to show you exactly how I do my cornrows. Place the beads onto your hair. You can use a bobby pin or you can use a beader. I think they call it a beader. So all you do is open up the bobby pin, put your hair through and then pull it through the bead. Bend your hair. Wrap it with some wool or you can use elastic. I didn't have any elastic. That's why I just used what I had. Secure it. Cut the excess wool and there. This is the final look. Thank you so much for watching this video thus far. Give this video a massive thumbs up if you love this hairstyle and you will try it. Like, comment down below and tell me, will you try this hairstyle or won't you? I dare you to. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you haven't already and hit the notification bell as well so that you can be part of the notification gang. And I'll see you in my next video.